This chart shows the assignments that have occurred over the past 15 years to the disputed Hansen deed of trust that was originally executed on July 15th, 2004 and recorded on July 22nd, 2004. The first assignment occurred in 2012, about 3 months after the borrower died. BANA, or Bank of America, was the servicing bank for the Hansen deed of trust, and that BANA executed an assignment from MERS, the nominee for the beneficiary, to itself. In 2014, immediately after the HOA foreclosure sale occurred on August 15th, 2014, and the foreclosure deed was recorded on August 22nd, 2014. On the 9th of September, a couple weeks after the sale, BANA assigned its interest, if any, to Wells Fargo. Shortly thereafter, on December 1st of 14, Nationstar claimed to have the power of attorney of BANA in order to execute an assignment of BANA's interest to Nationstar, effective on October 23rd of 14, which is 2 months after the HOA foreclosure sale. On 25th of February, 5 years later, 2019, Nationstar, acting as if it had BANA's undisclosed power of attorney and unrecorded power of attorney, rescinded its previous claim to have been assigned the beneficial interest of the Hansen deed of trust. They rescinded that December 14 assignment. And so as of a week after the end of discovery in the prior case, Nationstar had no claim because it had rescinded the only claim it had had during the previous court proceedings. Immediately after it rescinded its claim, and using the same individual, in both cases the individual was claiming to be the vice president of the institution. So in the rescission, Mohammed Hamid was signing and executing that rescission as if he were the vice president of Bank of America. Immediately thereafter, Mohammed Hamid, and also the same notary, executed an assignment from Wells Fargo to Nationstar. This time, Mohammed Hamid was acting as if he was the vice president of Wells Fargo. This was disclosed 2 weeks after the end of discovery. Then, 2 days before the trial that was to determine the quiet title dispute between the Gordon B. Hansen Trust and the Jimmy Jack Irrevocable Trust, Nationstar, doing business as Mr. Cooper, declared that it was the present beneficiary, Mr. Cooper, and that as the present beneficiary, Nationstar, doing business as Mr. Cooper, LLC, declared itself both the trustee and the present beneficiary, and added on the third page of this document that Nationstar accepted the appointment as trustee and executed this reconveyance of removing the lien of the disputed Hansen deed of trust, but not reconveying it to the borrower, reconveying it to the individual who held the recorded title at that time, 2 days before the trial. Joel A. Stokes, non-party to the previous proceedings, Joel A. Stokes as an individual received the reconveyance.